Real shots of a complete feed pellet production line. Today, I'm going to show you this feed pellet production line that's been put into operation. Pre-treatment section. Chaff cutter. Chaff cutter advantages: feeding rollers for automatic smooth feeding, high output, alloy steel blades, high wear resistance, thickened steel housing, long service life, steel frame, high efficiency, compact and easy to move. Dropout box. Material is shredded by upstream equipment, conveyed via air ducts. The dropout box completes air material separation. Crushing section. Multifunctional hammer mill. Multifunctional hammer mill advantages: steel welded frame, shared base for motor rotor, direct tooth coupling drive, dynamically balanced rotor, reversible operation, symmetrically arranged hammers, sturdy and reliable, easy operation, low vibration, high output. Cyclone. Centrifugal fan. Pulse bag filter. Material enters hammer mill. Cyclone, centrifugal fan and pulse bag filters deliver efficient crushing and clean working conditions. Material enters the mixer, where auxiliary materials can be added for thorough mixing. Pelleting section. Flat die pellet mill. Flat die pellet mill advantages: dry and dry out, good pellet forming, low power, high output. Extrusion pelleting, no water required, raw material moisture 10% to 20%. Produces concentrate, coarse fiber and grass meal feed pellets for poultry, livestock and aquaculture. Supports organic and compound fertilizer pellet production. The formed pellets are sent to the cooler for cooling. Airlock for material sealing. Cooling box reduces pellet temperature. Vibrating screen classifies pellets. Finally, the qualified pellets are conveyed to automatic packaging machines for quantitative bagging. We are producing pellet machines and complete lines already for 20 years, and our key machines are biomass pellet machines, feed pellet mills, wood chippers, wood crushers, wood hammer mills, rotary dryers, pellet coolers and the complete lines. If any interest, feel free to connect us.